Hey everyone, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can stop the keyboard splitting on your iPad. So as you can see, I go to my keyboard on my iPad and it's split in the middle. So what I can do is I can pinch back on it and hopefully it's going to work and it's going to pinch it back together connected to the regular keyboard. And essentially, if you don't want this to be happening again, make sure you don't perform this pinch out gesture because, it's going to make it just separated like that. So basically avoid this gesture, or you can see you can hold it down on the button in the bottom right corner and switch it back to the merged, right? And also you can click on the dock, so make sure it stays at the bottom. And now we have completely normal keyboard on my iPad mini. You can see that it always appears like that. So the point is that if you don't want it to split, make sure you don't perform the pinch out gesture and also don't switch using the buttons in here, because the feature cannot really be turned off entirely. The only way to make sure it never happens again would be by getting an app from the App Store, which is going to replace your keyboard. So for example, things like the Gboard from Microsoft, from Google, right, or SwiftKey from Microsoft, which are apps which can work instead of your Apple keyboard, and there we don't have like the splitting option. So you could technically replace it and essentially make sure you never see the split keyboard ever again. But I hope it helped. Let me know what you think about that below. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.